Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by collecting what matters: settings, key bindings, snippets, and an extensions list so you can restore later. Once you've backed files, close Visual Studio Code and kill stray code processes, leaving one open, corrupts, deletes. Next, find the VS Code user data and extensions locations for your OS. These are the targets you will remove. Do this now, don't delay, because the cleanup steps that follow assume those files and paths are identified and safe to delete. Now you remove the custom state. Delete or move the user data folder and the cache state directories to a backup location. If you want a surgical reset, uninstall extensions individually with code uninstall extension, or remove the extensions folder to wipe all third-party additions. On Windows or Mac OS, also clear OS-level settings, registry keys, or PLIST entries that persist preferences. Once done, verify no leftover processes hold file locks, because lingering processes will, after removal, reinstall or launch VS Code with a new user data diar to confirm a pristine profile. This verifies the reset worked without permanent reinstall. Then selectively restore settings and reinstall extensions from your saved list so you regain necessary functionality without old clutter. Finally, test key features and workspace behavior. If something fails, check the logs and run code verbose to see errors. Make sure file and folder permissions allow VS Code to read and write, because permission issues are the most common post-reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.